Hi, Robert here with more Revit training. Today I've got a question about my plank cut width. This is for, I think I'm pronouncing it right, dash 10, 38994. But anyway, this is what happens here. So we look at our cross section here. This is my void form, and it's on this parameter here. So basically, what happened is here, you just create this void parameter on this edge, and then that's the cut width. So you'll go in here and say in the type properties, basically, I could change this, say, sorry. I could change this width, say I want it to be 2 feet. So there's what happens. So that void actually cuts through. So when you create that, you have to show the cut, and then I might want to go back to 4 here, or I can go down to whatever, 3 feet. So that's what happens. That void form is cutting that solid. So I hope that helps you out. Anyway, I can send you this family. Give me your email address, and okay. But that's how it goes. See, I can probably see it from the top view, but I'm gonna go here now. I can go back to 4 so you can see the actual void. So as this was a framing family template, and what we did, we created this sweep of the cross section here, as you can see. I might have made this into a short video, so let me go and tab these views. So there's your void form right there. That's associated with the parameter that's in my left view here. So yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Yeah, send me your email address and I can shoot this plank to you. I've got several sizes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Anybody who's just looking on, please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this, and I hope this helps. Let's do this one more time just for show. Create. This is the family. Cut width is 2. Just cut it in half. Should cut right down the middle. Yep. Cuts right down the center there. So there, there it is actually, and that's the void cutting across. So hey, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video, and everybody be safe. Bye. Hope this helps.